Okay, converse, inverse, contrapositive. Converse is switch, inverse is negate, contrapositive is switch and negate. So let's write these down here. So if it is a rhombus, then it is a square. That's switching them around. If it is not a square, then it is not a rhombus. That's negating them. And then if it is not a rhombus, then it is not a square. Okay, only one of the statements in part A is true. Which one is it? This is a little bit tricky to work with. So we have to remember that the only way this original statement is false is if it's true, then false. So I want to check this out. If the beginning was true and the end was false for the original thing, that would be false. So that would mean I would have something that's a square that's not a rhombus. This is where this stuff can get confusing. Depending on how much you remember about squares and rhombuses, a square has to be a rhombus. So there's no way that this could happen right here. So this thing can't happen. Because if something is a square, that means it has to be a rhombus. So this original statement is true. And the rule that we're supposed to know is that when we do any of these converse, inverse, contrapositive things, if the original statement and the contrapositive have to be logically equivalent, which means they have to have the same truth value. So that means this last statement here, this contrapositive is true. So contrapositive, because it's logically equivalent to the original, which is true. And this is where logic can get very confusing. If you've got to be very careful about what it's asking you or what it wants you to know. So there's the answer to that one.